just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Troneberg, and to my returning subscribers, you're all welcome. So in today's video, I'm doing a deep condition. I'm using rice for this recipe. I'll be writing down the benefit of rice. Okay guys, so I'm using half cup of rice for this. I'll pour this in my pot, then I will rinse this out to remove the dirt. You can use any rice. If you have basmati, black rice, whichever rice you have, you can use it. We need the rice juice for this, the rice milk for this recipe. So this rice is going to be cooked, like overcooked, cooked to the quickest. Like it has to be very, very soft, so that when you are blending it, it's easier to blend one and you'll be able to get the juice from the rice. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving this rice cook for a while. This is the rice is ready. I'm pressing it to make sure that the rice is very, very soft, and it is. So I'm going to pop this in my blender and I'll blend this. I added little water just for it to blend quicker. Okay guys, so please keep on watching. So far, I'm straining the rice to bring out the milk. I'm using my wig cap. If you have a cheesecloth, you can use your cheesecloth. If you have watched this extent and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new one. And also like and comment and share. Please guys, like this video. It helps YouTube to promote my video more. Yeah, so this is what the rice milk looks like. And after this, we'll proceed to the next item we'll be adding to this. So far, we are using moringa for this recipe. I'll be writing down the benefit of moringa on the screen. So I'm using one teaspoon of moringa, and we'll also be adding another ingredient, which is coconut oil. If you have coconut milk, you can use coconut milk. So I'm using coconut oil for this recipe. Here are the benefits of coconut milk. This one is a cold pressed coconut milk. Okay, and I'll be using 1 tablespoon. Okay, so I also added water, a little bit of warm water. Then I'll mix all this together, and we'll proceed to the next step, which is application. So this is what it looks like. So let's go to the restroom. And hi guys, so this is my hair. I just finished doing a chebe routine on my hair. I just leave it somewhere up. So first of all, I'm going to wet my hair with water. I'm going to soak my hair really well with water before we start this process. After soaking my hair with water, I will use also my black soap shampoo to wash my hair, and I'll use my scalp massager to also massage this on my hair. If you have not seen my wash day routine using natural ingredients, I'm going to put it somewhere up in the card. Please do well to check that out. That video too is also interesting. Yeah, so this is just me showering and all that. Please enjoy the rest of the video.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah, I only want you, yeah, 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 yeah. Only want you.
working on yourself? Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around. That's what I always say. 'Cause
stay with it. You don't need to water it down.
I'm done with my washing of my hair. My scalp feels clean. So my scalp looks like it's pretty clean. See, there's the baby hair just for in case of clarity there. See, we have hairs. Okay, so let's apply the deep condition because you have to apply it on a clean, washed down hair. So I'm going to apply the deep condition. My hair really feels soft, guys. My hair is reaching me my bone. This is my bone, my modelly bone. My friends call it modelly bone. So my hair is reaching me my modelly bone. And my front, let's see. I'm so excited that the tip of my hair is really healthy. It's not thin, it's really healthy. So that's a plus for me. So yeah, let's put the deep condition. Not waste time. I use a deep condition. This is what she looks like. So I'll be applying this from the roots, from the ends of my hair to the roots of my hair. Yes, but if you're starting from the roots to the ends, you can still do that. But me, I'm starting from the ends of my hair to the roots of my hair. Yeah, I'm just working my way through into the deep condition. Please section your hair. I did not section my hair. Just section your hair for easier application. Yeah, so after I applied this, like my hair was coily. You see that in the next clip. So please keep on watching. If you have watched this extent, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Just in case you hear my daughter's voice, she's also here with me doing this voice over. Yeah. So I'm done. This made my hair really bouncy. Can you see those coils? So this is what my hair looks like, guys. So I didn't really finish the remaining deep condition. This is what my hair looks like after application. If you have more fuller hair than mine, you can use all the deep condition. Yeah, so after this, I'll wait for an hour or 30 minutes, then I will rinse it out. Yeah, so please keep on.
Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can take all the time that you need. I know that you worry.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around. That's what I always say. 'Cause
stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has this.
Yeah, guys, this is what my hair looks like. My hair feels so nice. Like, this is a must. You got to try this. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new one, and also like and comment and share. So fam, I'll see you all in my next video. Alright, so sayonara from here.